Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change screen zoom in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you might be looking for how to enable screen zoom, make it more zoom in or zoom out. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to click here display. After click over there, is scroll down and then you will find there something say screen zoom. So this is the by default screen zoom style. If you decide to make your screen more zoom, you can just simply click this plus icon and it's going to be appear more zoom, and this is the preview how your phone screen zoom going to be looks like. If you decide to make it more less zoom, you can easily do by pressing this minus. So within this simple way you can easily customize your screen zoom in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.